Hi, my name is Erin, and I'm a media mentor at the Poudre River Public Libraries. In today's tech tip, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Excel's quick analysis. Let's get started. Quick analysis is a fast feature that Excel provides for all your data. It's available on Excel 2013 and later versions. This feature allows you to see the information or summary you need in as few clicks as possible. If you're working with a personal budget, you can use quick analysis to create charts, see spending patterns, and quickly put together totals, averages, and more. Today I have a table of utility bills from the past 5 years. Down column A, each month is listed, and in the header row, each year is listed. This table presents all the amounts spent on water and power in the past 5 years. Quick analysis is going to allow me to analyze this data in lots of different ways. My goal is to see the trends of the utility payments, months when the bills are the highest, plus to get a sense of how they fit into my overall budget. First, I'm going to highlight the data and format it as a table. I'm going to leave out row 1, which has the title. When working in Excel, it's always helpful to have the data formatted as a table so Excel can more easily recognize the patterns and update the information. I'm going to select the data, go up to the ribbon, choose Format as Table, and select a color. A dialog box will appear, and I'm going to select for headers to be included. Now that the table is formatted and selected, you'll see a small box appear in the bottom right corner. This is the Quick Analysis box. Click on the box to see all your options. There are 5 tabs at the top: Formatting, Charts, Totals, Tables, and Sparklines. QA will automatically customize your available options based on your data, so only the analysis tools that make sense for the information on the page will be listed. The first option is for conditional formatting. Conditional formatting lets you apply visuals to the numbers, such as data bars, color scales, icon sets, and more. Try hovering your cursor over each option to see the impact. Data bars will show the relative quantities. Color scales show the highest amounts in green and the lowest amounts in red. Icon sets show the direction of the payments relative to each other. You can also quickly see the top payments across the 5 years. If you'd like to learn in more depth about conditional formatting, see the Poudre Libraries tech tip that specifically goes over conditional formatting. For now, you can see how moving your cursor over each option changes how the data looks. For option number 2, let's click on Charts. A lot of times people are confused how to add charts into their Excel data. Quick Analysis does all the work for you by suggesting charts that fit the information you've entered. Today I'm going to select the clustered column chart. And looking at this chart, it's immediately clear that utility payments spike in August and September, and those are the 2 highest use months. Once this chart is created, you can move it anywhere in the worksheet, and it will automatically update each time you add more data into your table. Since we started by formatting the data as a table, if I add a new column for 2021 and enter a payment for January, the data is immediately updated in the chart. Quick Analysis will also provide mathematical formulas for your data. Select your table, click on the QA box, and click on Totals. As you scroll over the different options, you can see the total payments per year, the average payment over 12 months, or even the average by a specific month. For example, if I was budgeting for 2020, I could see that in 2019, the average monthly bill was $177. Or If I wanted to look forward and see what I could expect the August bill to be, I could average all the August payments and see they typically run about $268. If there's no data entered for August 2020, Excel won't count it in the formula. If I had entered 0, then it would change the monthly average downwards. Option number 4 in Quick Analysis is tables. This feature includes creating a blank pivot table. Pivot tables are another Excel tool for slicing and dicing your data into specific views, and a topic that we will cover in a later tech tip. The last option in Quick Analysis is the Sparkline Tool. Think of sparklines as mini charts. They're applied to one row or one column of data to show the trending amounts. Choose from a line format or a column format. I like the column format to show how bills are trending both through this year and compared to previous years. Here's one last tip for using Quick Analysis. Place your cursor anywhere in the table and try using the shortcut key command of Control-Q. This shortcut will let you add in lots of QA tools at a time. So that's an overview of the Quick Analysis tool. It's a powerful way to work with your data immediately and without having to learn the more in-depth ins and outs of Excel. Try Quick Analysis with different data sets to see how Excel customizes the options for you based on the information you've entered. Thank you for watching this demonstration on how to leverage Excel's Quick Analysis from the Poudre libraries. To watch more tech tips, check out the Poudre Libraries playlist on YouTube or visit our website at www.poudrelibraries.org.